My people, do not fight person wey God bless. Person wey God anoint, no go fight am, because if you fight am, you go lose the fight. No be the more thing dey happen. They say Van Vika abijo Vika. They say the man don hands up, say he will never fight Mazi Nnamdi again. That person wey you wan challenge him energy now go give na be Nosonkwa. We go bring the video come show una more na here as e take talk am and wetin dey go on as we dey talk.
Hello and welcome. My name remains Joe Vika. I am the apostle of Igbo development. I want to use this video to address two things. Somebody called me early hours of today. That call should have happened about 3 hours ago from UK. For the first time, I'm hearing somebody who supports this shenanigans, this Biafra something, speaking like a man who is well. He spoke to my conscience. Number one, he never doubted all I'm saying. He didn't say, he said most of them are true. Even him, he confirmed most of them. But he made mention of something, which I'm not going to say here, that touched me. Number two, I just spoke with another person who also told me one or two things. And I saw one comment again. So I decided that with this video, the issue of Nnamdi Kanu's matter, I'm no longer going to talk about it again on social media. Maybe if you call me privately, we'll talk about it. I know that some of you will still go ahead and be insulting your generation. I don't have a problem with that. But I will not fail to be addressing Nosonkwa. Nosonkwa made a video a couple of days ago talking about how the military, he started by the military, they came where the community were doing their masquerade. And they shot sporadically. About 2 people lost their lives. Some were wounded in the hospital. When I watched that video, I felt bad. He said that they now plan to write petition to the army headquarters, only to discover the army said they never went for such an operation. He now called Tiger Base, who confirmed that they went to that community because they said they heard that the young man, according to them, they came out from the bush, and when they heard that they came out, so they have to come for them. When they came there, they've really gone, but they started shooting innocent people, according to Nosonkwa. But I have done further investigation on that particular thing. That was not the truth story. Nosonkwa, I don't want to talk something I have discovered about you in the public. I know you. I've made inquiry about you to your family. It's your private life. But I discovered that you keep shielding this particular Umuomaga. The way you hammer on Fulani buying our people, you don't hammer the same way on Nde Umuomaga buying our people. You don't hammer like that. In a way, partial judgment. Whenever I have to do crime committed by your Umuoma, maybe probably because of your younger brother, is part of the game. I don't know. Nosonkwa, you said that the army came, that the database came because of, they said they came out from the bush. You forgot that the deputy governor attracted road construction to your community, a road that have never been done for years. During the time of Mbakwe, that woman, the deputy governor, attracted the construction of that road. Your Umuama came and was making a demand of 10 million naira. And they said, how will they give you money when they're doing your road for you? Later we heard that one of the workers were kidnapped or was kidnapped. This is why they came to that community. I mean the members of the military, the police, the DSS. You didn't tell this story. You didn't share this story with us. But because of it is not done by the Fulani herdsmen or attackers. Nosonkwa, You are contesting for a political position, but can you please, in the name of God, do it this thing with your decency, truthfulness, so that posterity, nature, God will protect you. I'm using this video to address you. I'll be addressing your case because we have had a lot of what do you call it, Fulani. I was one of your followers who believed that the way you were shouting about Fulani, that everything is real. Only for me to go into more investigation to discover that most of these activities of you attack Fulani are perpetrated by your brothers, which you don't like talking about them. We know people that we heard through your, I don't want to mention things, the people that cook for them. But they don't want to talk about it. Are they doing well? The way Fulani Jena pose danger, Kanda she pose danger. Condemn everything. I condemn Fulani. I condemn Muhammad because I had no neighbor mother. Well, then I children zona. How put a ego. Uzana anụkwara n'ala Igbo ihe na-eme n'obodo ndị ọzọ ka ihe anyị na-ahụ n'ala Igbo. Why? Ndị ụmụọma ndị ụmụnne gị ahụ, they all go, a na-aga anara eze napụ ya case ya si ha judge the case and anara ego gwa gị ego la ga-akwụ. Even all this thing, you don't talk about it. Well, having said this, I want to use the opportunity to tell those of you who have been enjoying the way I've been exposing Nnamdi Kanu and all the rest of them, I want to apologize to you guys that I'm not going to continue. I don't have apology to those who think that he's a God. He's their Jesus Christ. He's their Messiah. Let it be whatever it is to you. And I know why, because of the guy who called me. After speaking, the Spirit of God also spoke to me. And I said, let me calm down. So I want to let you people go. Do your things. I know I have lost relations. I know the people, I'm taking care of them now because their father we are murdered. It's okay. It's very painful. We are staying with these people. Their parents, they lost their parents. The name of you, somebody say sit at home. If you come out by the person. And the person lost their relation, and we're the one taking care of them every day. I spend my money monthly to take care of people who know Baburu. Get some guy, they're happy. Man, I will not the children. Yeah, they were. I want to stop for one or two reasons. But I wouldn't mind at this point. I think I have to move John because who not get more than so I want to use the opportunity. So when you feel offended, or or whatever. So I just want to hold my peace for now. Before, thank you guys because God bless you. Share the video. Onye hụrụ eziokwu ya kwa eziokwu. Onye hụrụ eziokwu ya kwa eziokwu. Eziokwu dị mkpa. Egbuole ndị Igbo anyị so much. Emego ha arụ. Egbuole ndị Igbo anyị so much.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, I beg may you share and drop your own opinion in comment section. You know, say this life, waiting goes around also turns around. So I think I don't know who talked to Ramo or his reason, or is he trying to use it to get some people to comment or to talk or whatever. We are watching all of them. We are watching everybody. We are watching everybody. So share the video and drop your own opinion in comment section, and don't forget to follow this channel because for here now you go to get updates as it dey happen. We no dey hide anything. So follow the channel so that you go to get raw update as it dey happen.